Have you ever been wondering what are the best push-ups for the chest? Well, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the 5 best push-ups for the chest. So in part 1 of this series, we're simply gonna quickly run through all of these push-up variations. So if all you wanna do is to find out what the push-ups are and move on with your life, then this video's got you covered. Push-up variation number 1 is going to be regular push-ups. Just a very basic, normal, neutral grip push-up right here. Really great for the chest, one of the best exercises for the chest in general. Push-up variation number 2 is going to be ring push-ups. The instability of the rings will offer your chest a new novel training stimulus compared to on a flat ground. And as you know, in training, variety is key. Moving on, push-up variation number 3 is going to be decline push-ups. Probably one of my favorite push-up variations available. Really great for targeting the upper chest. So here you're going to be needing to find a proper shoulder angle so you can actually target the upper chest. So as a quick guide, it's going to be something between a normal push-up and a pike push-up. Moving on to number 4, which is going to be decline ring push-ups. So same thing as before, but on rings this time. So same thing here, you need to adjust your body positioning so that you can get the shoulder angle just right. So it's going to be something in between a ring push-up and a ring pike push-up in this case. So this one's technique was a little bit awkward because it's hard to know if you're getting the angle right, and you might in the middle of the set kind of forget where the angle is. So anyway, you're gonna need some coordination and experimenting around with this one here. Also targets the upper chest, just like decline push-ups did. And lastly, number 5 is going to be Psuedo planche push-ups. So this will target the lower chest more and also the front part of the shoulder quite a lot, because you're gonna have a forward lean here, so slightly different than most other push-up variations. Now, if you want to see more detailed breakdowns of the actual techniques of these push-up variations, then I highly encourage you to continue on with this series right here, because then you will actually know what to focus on when doing these push-ups. And if you got some value from this video, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to build a water body with primal training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.